Hey guys, here is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze neon ceiling fan in chrome. This fan features the blue neon light kit with the clear plastic blades, and this one is from March of 2004. These fans are kind of childhood fans for me because there is a restaurant chain, I'm not sure if everybody has them in their states, it's called Nifty 50s, and the one that I went to had, I think, 4 or 5 of these without the light kit, and I was always trying to figure out what they were because they didn't have the light kit, so I didn't recognize them. Later to find out they were just Harbor Breeze neon fans without light kits, which is kind of odd because the restaurant was a 50s theme, so the light kits really would have fit in very well, but you know, I'm not really sure why they didn't install them. But yeah, so this is a childhood fan too. I remember seeing these at Lowe's, not for very long though. I think they were sold for a short amount of time. But yeah. But I got this one off of Facebook Dumpster Place for very cheap. It came 100% complete. It was only missing, well, 99% complete. It was missing one of the pull chain pendants. The other one is original. Yeah, so I'll show the light kit. That works fine. It's a very cool fan. Although I would much rather have had the Cameron 2 Plus by Hampton Bay. But this will do just fine. It's a cool fan though. There's that, here's low speed. Uh-oh. One, two. There we go. Most people don't really know this, but for you to pull a chain, it actually goes through the light kit. I've seen a lot of other people pull it out of the side, which isn't the correct way. But there is 4 holes in the plastic glass that the chain goes through. It doesn't move too much air, but it's really just a looks fan. It also would have came with this tiny plastic ball, or not plastic, metal ball. I'm not sure if you can see that. But that would have actually held up the light kit, but since the pull chain on the light kit was pulled out, and I had to attach another piece of chain to it, because there was just enough left for me to attach a little extension to it. But if I put the little ball on it, it wouldn't pull, it would get jammed. So I just used a nut, which works fine, you know. No big deal. Use medium speed. There's really not that much of a difference between medium and high, but whatever. But these are far more common than the Cameron 2 Pluses were, because the Cameron 2 Pluses, I think they were special order, while these were actually sold at the home center. That's besides the point. Here's high. It is moving air, to say the least. I do have a little stand fan on here too because it's very hot. You can see this one's brass, while this one's the original chrome. What's that? shame they don't make fans like this nowadays. It's really cool. I mean, this really can't go out of style in all honesty. There's the logo. There's the tags right there. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.